Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we now invite Mr. Dinesh Deo for a presentation from G-Centri. Can we please have you on stage with us? And a round of applause for our next speaker. Hello, sir. Welcome to you.
Good afternoon and namaskar. My name is Dinesh Deo, and from last 32 years, I am serving sugar, ethanol, distillery and starch industry. Today, I am going to share with you the technology of decanter of G-Centri Force engineering. We are in innovation, development, manufacturing of decanter centrifuges based in Pune. Along with me, the founder of this company, Mr. Shahaji Chavan is there. He wanted to say hello to you. Yes. So with this, I am going ahead. Okay, these are some snapshot. 20 plus year of young Indian brand and experience of building the decanters in India. It is the first Indian patented technology for inlet zone of the conveyor. We have completed almost 320 installation in India and abroad. We have a 20,000 square feet total built up area which can cater your needs. We have more than 250 customers and we have a 20 plus exporting countries. These are some milestones. 2004, this company is founded. 2009, the first decanter developed for animal protein. 2012, first DDDS decanter we have supplied and commissioned. 2015, the first ATEX zone decanter with nitrogen purging was supplied to the lecithin plant in India. 2016, the first three-phase decanter, it was developed. 2021, first our Indian patent of Y-fit zone was developed. And then we made biggest dia decanter of 610 and 510 dia in India in 2022 and 2024. 2023, the 510 dia, and 2024, 755 dia. India's largest decanter manufacturer we have begun in 2024. Now 2026, we have now invested in Turn Mill Center. It's a good investment of 10 crore to prepare for the next milestone to achieve 1010 dia decanter. And we are aiming in 2028 to have that production started of 1000 mm dia in India. These are our key offerings: two-phase decanter, three-phase decanter, high-speed decanter, more than 6,000 G. We call this sedimenter centrifuge, and shell shaker, which is vibro screen. These are our key products. We serve the many applications. I have highlighted in yellow, relevant to us today in this conference. It's the grain-based, molasses-based distillery ethanol decanters, sugar and starch decanters, distillery corn oil decanter, DCO, for the grain-based plant running on maize and corn, and CBG. This is our presence, a global presence. India, we are now aiming to increase our footprint in almost all the places, main cities in the country with additional service centers. And globally, we are exporting our products in like UK, Russia, USA, Latin America, Southeast Asia also. If you see the decanter, we have around 9 models. Smallest is 80 mm dia, like pilot plants, and biggest is 755 dia. In terms of flow rate, from 1 meter cube to 120, 130 meter cube, and in case of DDGS capacity, we can have a single decanter for 5 KLPD plant and single decanter also available for 300 KLPD, 250 to 300 KLPD, corresponding DDGS flow rate of 110 meter cube per hour. So this is also important. Distiller corn oil. Again, if you see the thick syrup, 20 tons per hour we can feed to decanter for corn oil recovery. In terms of KLPD, we can go up to 400 KLPD plant size for single decanter. See, this is a three-phase technology of corn oil separation. Okay, these are the two picture I have seen. See, there is DDGS decanters, and that side I have seen the DCO, three-phase decanter, where we have highlighted for 120 KLPD plant, the payback is 4 to 5 months. Okay, it depends on corn and rice combination, but overall, bigger the size of the plant, payback will be much more lesser. Average 120 KLPD, 150 KLPD, 4 to 5 months is proven. Okay, this is important slide for sugar industry. A lot of sugar, the owners are here, process experts are here. We offer two-stage decanter system. It is a replacement of RVDF. And this RVDF, you can see this is 5,000 TCD plant. Estimated payback is 2 crushing season, almost 200 days. I have considered 100 days of operation nowadays. So this decanter station can give you a payback of 2 crushing season. Within that, we can get a payback. So these are some, what is for you? What is the advantage of our technology? First is a patented Y zone. 30 to 40% area of cross section is going to increase. It is a laminar flow. Reynolds number is less than 2000. It will give higher capacity, less wear and tear of conveyor inlet zone. Wear of tungsten carbide, wear production of tungsten carbide is not required. So this is a patented technology. Important point, we are in discussing with the ChiniMandi team whether we can have the one seminar near about Kolhapur or Karad, whether we can discuss about the payback calculations process on the two-stage desuttering station. Okay, so we will shortly conclude that a date. Okay, this is another innovation we have done. You can say that CBG or application like DDGS, I need only 1 minute please. There we have a lot of challenge of tiles wear out, and we have to need the conveyor complete refurbishment. We have innovatively done the tile. Now the picture is not here, but I have tiles on our stall number 3. We can show there, no need to send the conveyor back to the repair to the workshops. We can change the tungsten carbide portion. At your own team can do it, no balancing required, and the cost of conveyor repair will come down by 70%. And time is saved from at least 1 month to 2 days only. Okay? So these are some benefits. Automation, what are the benefits? We will explain it further. Capacity is increased. There is a CIP is possible, low speed, high speed. We can remove all solids from the small end. Wear and tear will be less without the automation. So already I covered this now, and the frame inside is completely cladded, no corrosion on the frame. And last is we can see the wear by removing the screw on the bowl from outside. So and timely maintenance can be done. So okay, drain of the gearbox oil change is very easy with additional provision of the top screw. And with this, I have concluded my presentation. Thanks a lot. If you have any question, you can go ahead or we can meet at our stall number 3. Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Dinesh Deo, everyone. Can we please have a round of applause? Thank you so much. Please have a seat. Thank you.